Welcome to Saleslights 101, our extensive guide to get you selling with Saleslights in 10 minutes. Welcome to how to get started with Saleslights and congratulations on selling into the future. So, if you reach the screen, you've probably already signed up for your Saleslights account. And the first step that we're going to do is add our Saleslights Chrome extension to our Chrome browser. Saleslights only works on Chrome browser. It does not work on Microsoft Edge. It is not a web app to sign into, and this extension only works in full functionality with LinkedIn. Once the extension has been installed, you'll see a pop-up that it has been installed, which you just saw there. And then press this icon here to open your extensions here in your Google Chrome browser, and you'll see that Saleslight is here. Go ahead and press the pin so that you will always have it available and it's easy to find. So let's go ahead and sign in to Saleslights for the first time. Enter your login details you created when you signed up for Saleslights. And we're into the tool for the first time and ready to get started. Saleslights currently only works on laptops and desktops. It does not work on mobile devices and can only be used in tablet that supports Chrome extension or runs on a virtual desktop. The revolutionary value that we're delivering with Saleslights, it's very simple and powerful. As high-performing sales reps, we spend most of our day looking at our LinkedIn leads, posts, their comments, and their reactions, and we're trying to align a sales message for what we're trying to sell that sounds authentic, that shows that we're listening to them, and it's personalized because of just the level of effort and accuracy that it takes to get meetings and opportunities in B2B sales. This is a great practice, but takes a lot of manual handwriting and it's not scalable until now. So, with Saleslights, it's very simple to use. And we'll get into more detail in a second, but you simply enter your user profile of what it is you sell. We're pretending to be an AI software development company here. You enter your product details and then you approach the executive. This one is an AI executive that would be a buyer of mine. And you simply go to their posts, their comments, and their reactions. And then, when you find a piece of content that you would normally write a sales message to and strategically align with, instead of having to write it, just press Generate Sales Message. And then in a minute and a half, it goes through an extremely advanced chain of thought and language model built by Saleslights. And you come back into your Sales Sequence Center and you'll find your initial outreach message generated and the reaction that you've done it upon. And then, if you like the message and you're ready to go, you can copy it and send it in any outreach method that you have, whether it's LinkedIn message, email, or a tool like Outreach. You can also edit the message, and when you like that initial outreach sequence, you press Generate. The follow-ups will be generated, and then you'll have the completely personalized sales sequence of your initial outreach. Your first follow-up, your second follow-up, and third follow-up. As some quick usability items, when using Saleslights, resizing the browser, like all other Chrome extensions, will dismiss the tool, just like you saw there. Also, if you have Saleslights open and you open a new tab, it will also dismiss the browser. This means that you will lose unsaved data. If you need to do research and open browsers rapidly, it's best to have Saleslights in one browser and window to your right or left, and then start doing research in another browser window, or just expect to work with Saleslights without resizing your browser in the single pane of view. Whatever works best for you. If you try and open Saleslights and scrape and you're not on a proper post, comment, or reaction page, and let's say you're here and you want to open the tool to scrape, it will tell you that you're not on a LinkedIn user page and you will need to go back to the proper place. The only functionality in the tool that works when you're not on a LinkedIn user page is your Sales Sequence Center, or our tool will also do it. However, you need to be sure that after the page loads, that you press refresh to see all the comments, posts, or reactions. If you have any issues throughout this, always just dismiss the tool and bring it back up again. If you try and press scrape posts, comments, or reactions and the page is not fully loaded, then Saleslights will not return results. You have to let the page load in the back when pressing scrape post, comments, or reactions, or it will not properly retrieve. If you have any issues, you can press refresh or simply dismiss the tool and come back. But general rule of thumb, make sure you let it load in the back and you'll be all set. So the first step with Saleslights is getting on our lead page that's going to allow us to use the tool. Every single lead that you're trying to approach with Saleslights, you'll need to be on their recent activity all page where you see the post, comments, and then reactions where you drop down here in this arrow. Then, as the first step, you're going to open the Saleslights applications and go to your profile. Here's where you're going to load the tool to sell what you want to sell. Could be your product, could be a promotion for your product, or it could be an advanced solution in combination of products, which we'll show you in a second. For this example, we're pretending to be selling AI executive, AI development, and software services. As you can see here, you enter your company name, number of years in business, your salesperson name, and your industry. We have tooltips here in case you need some. Then go to company details. Here in the top one is where you enter your 4 to 6 sentence mission statement. Then enter your website, and here is your product builder. So what you can do with Saleslights is you can enter your entire company as the product and then go ahead and list all the portfolio items. Or you can go ahead and list multiple products and sell that against your sales messages. Formatting your product description is super important. You want to use a model of having 3 main bullet points as we see here, and then have the best practice of putting 3 subpoints under the 3 main bullet points. You want to be as descriptive as possible. Better data in, better data out from our outputs with sales messages. And also, don't forget to put a great case study. So now, you've pressed scrape all posts and you're ready to sell to this executive. Now that you've scraped them, you go ahead and just simply press generate sales message. And let's do that on the top post. Then wait about a minute, 1 minute and a half, and then you'll come back to your sales sequences and see the sales message generated. And as a next step, your sales message should be complete. Go to sales sequences here by pressing this icon. In here, you'll find the message for the last lead that you have sold to. Go ahead and click. You can see the post that you had sold your message against. And then clicking here, you can see initial outreach email. Look how great that message turned out. And if you would like, you can edit the message or simply copy it. Editing is super simple. Just click it and do whatever you feel. Save message when you're done. Then go back to Sales Sequence Center and generate the rest of the follow-ups. Remember, it takes follow-up messages and really personalized ones to get those meetings and create those sales opportunities. In about a minute, your sales follow-ups will be ready for you. And in this final step, our sales messages and sequences are finished. Go ahead and click in. Again, you can see your initial outreach. You have your first follow-up message, you have your second follow-up message, and then you have your third follow-up message. And that's the magic of Saleslights. As a next step, go to your profile, load your own company details and what you're trying to sell. Go to your target lead and start generating sales messages. Let's go ahead and talk about another great feature of Saleslights, which is the keyword search. So, we're selling AI development services. One of the keywords you might want to see if your lead has ever engaged on could be AI strategy. It will be a perfect thing to sell around. So our keywords have been updated. We go to their posts and then go to filter by keywords and then just simply press the keyword. And we can see here that we have all the posts and we can keep going and scrolling through posts that mention the term AI strategy. And we can generate sales messages on them. So this is a really quick way to get to keywords and things that you know will be high-performing items to generate sales activities on. Keywords like I think or I feel or thoughts are keywords looking for engagement. These are all great items to use as keyword search and do sales a lot faster and to be more accurate in your sales activity. Now, let's talk about the profile builder and how to save your profiles. You may want to have multiple profiles that are selling your product in a different tone, maybe witty, professional, conversational, or a comical tone. Those are reasons to have different profile loadouts. You may have profile loadouts selling different products. You have different profile loadouts selling different promotional activities, like an executive day where you're inviting them somewhere in the country or somewhere locally to an engagement. There are many different use cases for loadouts. So to start loadouts here, we want to begin with our profile detail section. The key best practice when editing your user profile is to always press Save Details, because when dismissing the extension, you will lose your unsaved data. So what we'll do, since we've already entered some of the new information, we're going to create a new profile loadout. We're going to press Save Profile Loadout, and then open this drop down here in this arrow and press New Loadout. Here's where you create a new loadout name. And just as an example, I'm creating a new software development services B2B company. And this is where you would save your new company details for this profile. And then come in and enter a brand new product name and product description details. In here, you'll edit your message formatting for this profile, as well as content filters that will persist with the keywords that you like for the specific sales activity. Remember to press Save Loadout when you're done at the very end, and you're good to go. There's how you create and save different profile loadouts for your sales activities. Congratulations again on moving your sales efforts and team into the future, and please reach out if you need anything else from us at saleslights.com.